been told to love myself. I try, but I can never understand.
Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. As promised, today I'm going to show you how I make my keto coconut bread. I've got all the ingredients which I bought the other day, so I'm going to get started, and hopefully you will enjoy watching me make this particular recipe. So if you are interested, please continue to watch as I make this wonderful low carb keto bread. This again is very easy. I'm going to put a whole packet of chia seeds into the mix, a whole packet of coconut flour. I'll be putting the recipe in the description box below. Give this a bit of a mix around. So I've got the flour, the chia seeds in there. Get that out of there. You can see 1.1 grams of carbs and 1.3 grams of sugar per serving. So in 100 grams you're only looking at 2.2 carbs and 2.2 grams of sugar, but that's just amazingly low. I'm going to give this a good mix around. Add some gluten-free baking powder, which is about 3 teaspoons. I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of the salt in the bread, just like that. Give it another mix around. To bind it, I'm going to also put in some psyllium husk, which again is organic, and on this packet there's only 0.1 gram of carb and 0.1 gram of sugar, so it's only 1/10 of a gram. 3 tablespoons of this, I'll make it 4, of the psyllium husk. Now I'm going to add the eggs and the water. Now, as a binding agent as well, I'm going to be adding some coconut oil. This is organic refined, and it has got 0 sugar, 0 carbs, and 0 cholesterol. So this is coconut oil, which I'm putting into the mix. Add 6 eggs. And some pumpkin seeds, just as a garnish on the top. Some pumpkin seeds. The bread is now ready for the oven at 200 Celsius for about 1 hour. Now what I'm going to do is just run a knife down the side so I can then flip it over and then let it cool before I put it into containers. With this recipe you can pretty much add whatever you want to the mix. If you want to add sunflower seeds, sesame seeds, poppy seeds, any kind of seeds you can as well, but I just wanted to keep it plain and simple. So on that note, I hope you enjoyed me making this keto coconut flour bread. Very easy to make, just all in one bowl and straight into the oven for about an hour. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and also click the notification bell. I'm going to get ready now to hit the gym. I'm doing an afternoon session, so thank you again for watching. I'll see you again shortly. Bye for now.